You know what? I'm gonna kick this top knot bun in my hair for this video. Hello Triple L crew, it's ibyl, and today I'm coming to you all with a natural hair tag. I am collaborating with Natural Queens here on YouTube, and I'll have all the information in the information box below, and I also have a playlist. After watching the tag, if you're interested in joining our collaboration, you can film your own video with the questions that I'm going to provide in the information box below, and you can add your video to our playlist. So I'm going to be answering questions about my natural hair. If you would like to respond in the comment box below, if you can relate to any of the information I'm sharing, please feel free to. If you plan to do the video, do the tag, and add your video to the playlist, you can let me know in the comment box below as well. Thank you for tuning in, and kick back, relax, and get ready to hear my responses to the questions. At the end of my video, please make sure to thumbs up, make sure to comment, and definitely go check out all the other natural queens that are participating in this natural hair tag. Special shout out to the creative lady, Napalicious, for kick-starting this collaboration. I really appreciate you. And thank you to all the ladies that are shining and sharing about their natural hair journey. So I have my paper in my hand, so I'll be looking down here and there to refer to the questions. All right, first off, when and why did I go natural, and also address how I went natural. So the year was 2008. I'd worn 2 sets of braids, and my choice was going to be, when I get out of the braids, cut off the permed hair and rock my natural hair, or cut off my hair and continue with perm. And the night before, I was still like, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm not sure what I'm going to do. And I happened to tune in to a blog. And this is someone whose blog I have been following for a while, but I didn't know that she was deciding or thinking about going natural. And I felt like me seeing that blog when I did was like that extra push that I needed. Me seeing that she had done the big chop was inspiration for me. So I'd already made my appointment. I got up, went to my appointment, sat in the chair, and I said, I'm doing the big chop. She said, okay. And she just started cutting away at my hair. And my hair, when I left there, was pinky length. And that's the shortest my hair's ever been since I was a baby. So that was different for me. Yeah, it was a lot of new things. But, you know, once I took that leap, I was fine. So that's how I started my natural journey. Why did I decide to? Well, one thing is my hair has always been thick, and with perm, it has a way of wrecking your hair. So my hair didn't thin, but my hair used to break off quite a bit. There would be so many times where I would have to like get it trimmed much shorter than I would have liked. I had to get all these protein treatments and just a lot of things added to my hair to protect it from chemical that I was putting on my hair. One thing though, when I was rocking my fro quite a bit, I had a family member. She suggested that I consider rocking something other than a fro all the time. It was her conversation with me which kind of led me to the locks, and I had never considered locks before. So there's actually 2 parts to my natural journey, because there's the loose natural that I rocked from 2008 until 2009. I felt like that year though was a long time, but it was only a year. My hair grew within that year. I learned a lot about my loose natural texture. I learned that I got a lot of different textures in my hair. Is natural easier to manage or healthier than relaxed? So I've addressed it in a roundabout way in my previous response. Chemicals, whether it's color or perm, can have wear and tear on your hair. So I think that natural is healthier for your hair because your hair is allowed to be stronger. But also, even in natural, you have to still care for your hair, like wash your hair, put oil on your hair, and make sure that you're, trimming your ends. Now with the locks, I don't have to necessarily worry about trimming my ends, but if I was loose natural, there was a time where I made sure to get my ends clipped, and then I was really big on length. I still am big on length with my lock journey, but my natural journey, I was like, how long can I get my natural hair to grow? That was like a big thing for me, because I remember with the perm, my hair would grow long, but there'll become a point where it become damaged under the weight of the chemicals, and I would have to get it cut. So I could never get that length that I know I was capable of getting with chemicals. So with natural, it was like, you know what, I have a chance of growing my hair as long as I possibly can, longer than I've ever worn it. I didn't get a chance to achieve that with the loose natural, but with the locked, like, my hair is the longest it has ever been. And I'll try to, at the end, insert a picture of all this growth that I've had over these 10 years. All right, so yes, I think natural hair is healthier. As far as managing, personally, I manage my own hair, or I maintain my own hair in terms of washing, but in terms of retightening, I do not do the retightening. I go to get it done. When I was loose natural, I did my hair pretty much the entire time, except for when I first got it big chopped. I got it cut in a style. And then when I wanted to get my hair straightened to see how long it had been, and also to trim my ends, I went to get my hair done. Other than that, I washed my hair, styled my hair throughout my loose natural journey. Now that I'm on the lock journey, the locking natural journey, I wash my hair, I style my hair, but I do not retighten it. If I had to retighten my hair, I wouldn't have locks, because it's just too many locks to deal with. Even though I have an undercut in the back and I've cut off 36 locks, it's still too many locks to retighten. Insecurities, do I have any insecurities, or have I had any insecurities with natural hair? Whenever you're cutting your, so me, I've always had length. And if I didn't have a length, it was because the chemicals damaged and I had to cut it. But even with those moments of having to cut my hair, it had never been as short as it was when I did the big chop. So there was some uneasiness of having my hair that short, and I had never had it that short before. But I found my way, and I accepted the process I was in, the journey I was in. Fourth question. How did my family and friends react? I addressed this one as well in a roundabout way. I didn't have anyone in my family or my friends that, were against my decision. Like, everyone was supportive. Number 5, have I ever let others affect how I style my hair? Yes, to an extent. 6 and 7 I'm going to put together. So what is my go-to style and what's my go-to product? Am I a product junkie? I am not a product junkie. Even when I was loose natural, I wasn't. Now that I am lock natural, I'm not a product junkie. My go-to product would be, so I have 2. Rose water. I love rose water. And almond oil. Almond oil and rose water. I love those 2 products. My go-to style. You know what? Lately it's been a ponytail, but I said, you know what? I'm gonna kick this top knot bun in my hair for this video. But yeah, I've been really rocking a ponytail. But I get in little phases, like not the top knot bun, but like the twisted bun. For a little while I was rocking that regularly. Like, I would wake up in the morning and do the bun. At the end of the day I would take it down. But I would say on a regular, like a ponytail. It's like I wake up and if I'm not feeling like styling it, I just put it in a ponytail. Typically a ponytail and a bang, whether it's a plain bang or something jazzier. All right, number 8, do I ever use salon services? Every time I get my hair retightened, I do. When I was loose natural, I went twice, for a trimming, for my initial big chop, and with both of those, that I got my hair styled. Question number 9, do I let people touch my hair? I do if someone asks me. Yeah, if someone's like, usually they're like asking as their hand is coming towards you, can I touch your hair? And it's always so innocent, so I'm like, yes. Last question, because I'm talking you all's ear off. What are my future goals and plans for my hair? This is a big question. I'm just gonna leave it here. My future goals and plans for my hair is to continue with healthy, natural, beautiful hair. Whether that is to continue with locks or not is to be determined. I'm really back and forth with this all the time. But I do know I'll remain natural, whether it's loose natural or lock natural. I hope you all have enjoyed this video, and please be sure to thumbs up the video, share it across all social media. Remember to keep it fly, fabulous, and I will see your beautiful faces in the next video. Peace.